Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing the second Boxycharm opening here on my channel, and this is the July 2018 Boxycharm. And so yeah, I really don't have a whole lot to say in the intro, so let's just go ahead and get started right into the video. Here I have my Boxycharm for July, and please excuse my nails are a mess. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Here I have my Boxycharm box, and so let's just go ahead and open it. And when you open it, the first thing you see is Hello Charmer, and then when you have your little pamphlet. When you open it up, you can see all the products and what the theme of this box is, and the theme is Road Trippin', Boxycharm Road Trippin' for July. And so we have 5 items here in the box. And here's how the box came, just like that. And let's just go over what we got. Hello. Hi, Papa. Oh, hi, Papa. Hi, Papa. The first thing we got in the box is this Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel, and I'm assuming you just squeeze out some product and then just tap it under your eyes. And this product retails for $42. All the information that you need for the products is in this little pamphlet thing that comes, and it tells you all the information. It says, say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, restful looking eyes with Dr. Brandt No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel. So this is meant for people who have like puffy under eyes or whatever. If you wake up in the morning and you have puffy under eyes, if you were just crying or whatever it is, if you eat too much salt, yeah. So that's what that is. And then the next product is this Crown Pro palette, eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $29. Did I tell you guys that this one's $42? I hope I said it was $42. And so this eyeshadow palette is $29.99. It's makeup made up of rich, warm tone shades with creamy, high pigmented palette. Gives you exactly what you need to create infinite flawless eye looks. And this is what the palette here looks like. It's just a very like cool tone palette. It is a lot different than the Alamar Cosmetics palette that we got last month, but I do appreciate that the pan sizes are so large in this one. I do like that. And so yeah, that's the eyeshadow palette. Just throw that out over there. And then the next thing we got is this Wander Beauty Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara. I actually think I saw Jeffree Star do like a review about this, if I'm not mistaken. It was already a while back, but I think he said it was like a bad mascara. If I'm not mistaken, don't take my word for it, but I think I saw somebody do a review over this. And this retails for $24. This award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. The next thing we got is this Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. And this is $11. And I have never heard, I don't think I have heard of this brand, Note Cosmetics. And this is the blush, and it's like a very like pinkish, but like almost kind of like orangey type of, it looks, in the camera it looks a little bit more pink, but in person it looks like pink with like some orange tones in there. And it does come with like a little mirror, and then if you flip it, yeah, there you go. If you flip it, it comes with like a little compact little brush in there. I never use a brushes, so we'll just get rid of that. The last thing that we got is this Chala Beauty eyebrow cream. When I first saw this, I thought it was like an eyebrow gel because, I don't know, it kind of looks more like an eyebrow gel because of the packaging, and I was really excited because I need a new eyebrow gel. So this is the product right here, and then you like untwist the end right here. You take off the cap over here, and then you dip in the brush. It comes with like a little brush right here, and then it has the eyebrow product in there, and then you dip in the brush and then you start doing your eyebrows. And this product retails for $26, and this says add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrow with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. And this is in the shade Tantalizing taupe eyebrow cream. So first thing I do is I moisturize, and I've already done that with my Neutrogena. With my Neutrogena moisturizing gel. After I moisturize my entire face, I also go in with some aloe vera right here that I have. It's like a huge tub and it's full of aloe vera, and I just take some. I just take some of that with my little ring finger, and then I start patting it in to my under eye, just so that it like moisturizes my under eyes and stuff like that. But we're not going to be doing that today because we have the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. So let's read the instructions. It says Dr. Brandt recommends after your eye moisturizer, warm a tiny amount between your fingers and gently pat directly on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup. For best results, let dry in between applications. Reapply as needed. Okay, so it's suggesting that I do my moisturizer first, so then I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my aloe vera and then just start patting my moisturizer under my eyes, and then we'll go ahead and go in with that Dr. Brandt. So I've applied my moisturizer under my eyes, so now I'm just going to go ahead and take this Dr. Brandt on my ring finger. Feels kind of thick, like under the eyes. Feels weird. And it's like kind of drying. It feels a little bit cooling, but not that much. And then it just like dries down so fast under the eyes. Now that I've applied that, it feels kind of like heavy under the eyes. Like I can definitely feel like there's something under my eyes. I'm not really getting like a very like cooling effect yet. It does feel a little bit cooling like right here in this area, but yeah, I'm starting to feel it. I think the longer I keep it on, the more I'll start to feel something. So next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, well, next thing that I would do like right after I put moisturizer and all of that is I would just start doing my eyebrows. So we're just going to go ahead and like start using this. I'm kind of scared. This brush doesn't really look very like too convincing. Okay, so the brush isn't too bad, but I do prefer like a more dense brush. I'm not going in like heavy-handed. I'm just doing small strokes, and it is like showing up. So the brow isn't like terrible, but it's not like my usual brow. I mean, this is like definitely different. Well, different for me. It's a little bit harder to be like more precise with like with your little hair strokes. If you do it like hair, like if you try to mimic like hair strokes when you're doing your eyebrows, it is a little bit harder because this brush isn't like so like dense, and like the bristles aren't like so tightly packed. So it is harder to do like that, to mimic like eyebrow hairs, because this brush is a little bit thicker. But I mean, it is a little bit quicker to like filling in like the rest of the brow. Ugh. I don't know how I feel about this brow. I finished my brow, and this brow literally reminds me of like my freshman year of high school, like trying to learn how to do my eyebrows, and they're always coming out, and like them coming out like so thick and stuff, and like thick and dark. And that's literally what it reminds me of, and it's not good flashbacks. This brow wasn't so bad, but yeah, this product is a big no thank you for me. Throwing it out. No thanks. And I'm actually not really sure what eye look I'm going to be doing today, so I'm just going to go ahead and dip into this shade right here. It's like a very just like transition, like your typical like light, warm, nude transition shade. So this is the shade that I got on my hand that I'm going to be starting off with. I did a little swatch for you guys. It took like 3 swipes to like get it this pigmented, so we'll see how it looks on the eye. So I'm just picking up a brush. This is my Makeup Shack T11 brush, and I'm just going to start packing that shadow in. So it looks like it's already showing up, so that's good. When I was swatching this shadow, it was very like silky and buttery, like it felt really nice. So that's a good thing about the shadow. And it is showing up. The more I build it, it is showing up. The next shadow that we will be going into will be this one right here. It's like a very, it's just like a very red tone shade. And I'm going to be taking that, what am I going to be taking it on? On my Makeup Shack T12 brush. And then let's see how this shadow works. There is a bit of fallout, but nothing crazy, just a little bit. And the shadow does pick up pretty easily. And I'm just going to put that on my crease and then just move it a little bit upward. After that, those two shadows blended perfect, like very beautifully together. So next is this, it's just like a straight brown shadow right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take that on my Morphe M441 brush, my tried and true. And these shadows are like super like buttery and like silky and nice. I think I have heard of this brand before, but I've never like purchased anything from them. So this palette is like really like very pretty, and I'm not really one to like be interested in like neutral like palettes, like neutral shade palettes, because that's just not my cup of tea. I'm the type of girl that likes the colorful palettes. That's really pretty much all I have is like colorful palettes. And this shadow, I'm actually going to be concentrating it on the outer corner right here, and then just taking it up into the crease. And I think this is going to be the last matte shadow that I'm going to be digging into. Is going to be this one right here, and it's just like a maroon shadow. It's just like very like maroon toned, very maroon with like brown. And I will be taking that on my Morphe M433 brush. I'm placing this also on the outer corner. And then I'm going to work it into the crease. I think I will be going into this shimmer shadow right here. It's just like a very cute like gold. It looks a little bit pinky. Yeah. It's like a very like cute and like pinky type of shimmer. I like it. Ooh. So I wet my brush and the shimmer is like really showing up. So now I'm going to go ahead and go into another shimmer shadow, and it's going to be this one right here. It's just like a more brown. And I'm actually just going to take that on my finger and then just put that like right here, right next to that shimmer. Okay, so it is not applying. It's just like dusting off. That is so weird. Maybe I'll just try a brush instead. And okay, instead of that shadow, which came off like super dusty, I think I'll go into this one, the shadow that's above it. And I'm just gonna press it in. Okay, yeah, that looks way better. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with the mascara. I'm actually really excited to try this mascara. So here we go. Here's the mascara. You open it, and here's the wand. It has like a little dent to it, if you guys could tell. It's interesting, it's different. Well, I guess it's not that different. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I've already curled the lashes. So it's going on okay, I guess. I'm finding that I don't like that little dent that it has, because then I can't really go into the lash and like brush it out as I would with like a straight wand. It's really not doing anything for my lashes. Yeah, it's actually doing a pretty good job for the lower lashes. I'm not complaining about that. Alright, so after the mascara, we're going to go in with the last product, and that is going to be blush right here. And I'm actually just going to take my Luxie brush that I got in my last Boxycharm, and I'm just going to dip it into that. Ooh, it picked up quite a bit of blush. So we're just gonna go ahead and go in. I like it. It's cute. It's a cute color. It's like a light pinky. This is the final look using all the Boxycharm items that I got this month. And if you guys are wondering what I got on the lips, I actually have the Ofra lipstick that I got in my last Boxycharm on my lips. And topped off is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, or Bomb Gloss, or Gloss Bomb, whatever. The Fenty Glow. And I actually really love this combo. Thank you guys for tuning in to another one of my videos. And don't think I've forgotten, but I will be doing my giveaway soon because we have already reached 100 subscribers. I'm just kind of waiting. Well, not waiting. I'm deciding on what it is I want to give away, because I knew in the past what I wanted to do, but like now I kind of want to do a little bit more. So I'm still kind of deciding and figuring out what I'm going to give away. So once I figure it out and once I have those items shipped to me, I will be doing a video all about the giveaway and how to enter and all that stuff. So yeah, other than that, just wait on that video. I will try my best to get it out as soon as possible. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be sure to see you guys on my next video. Bye.